What's going on YouTube? It's Blood, Sweat, and Gears 87. It's springtime, which means it is turkey season. And right now, I am in Florida hunting for a couple Osceolas. I'm down here doing a turkey hunt with Deep South Outfitters. And I'm down here, I'm going to try to get 2 birds. I'm sitting in the stand. This is going to be an evening hunt. And tomorrow morning, we're going to get back up and go out and see what happens. But this evening, I'm sitting out here over this big cut cornfield, and we have a decoy out here. We got this one hen decoy out here, but they told me that the turkeys love to be in this location right here. So we're gonna sit and wait and see what happens. If everything goes according to plan, we'll get a gobbler this evening, and then maybe another one in the morning. But we're just gonna sit out here and wait till it cools down a little bit. I believe it's about 90 degrees right now, and it's still in March. The Florida heat is something serious, man. Like, it's March and it's literally like 90 degrees out here right now. But we're gonna go ahead and wait for it to cool down and see if something works this way. I'll check back in with you guys in just a minute. That was nerve-wracking. I thought he was gonna get away. I should have shot way earlier so I could have got it on video, but he walked out of frame and I was trying to turn the camera around, but I just couldn't get the shot. It was like he was on edge. But there's one down. There's a couple other gobblers out here, but I think I'm gonna wait and come back in the morning to try to get another one. There he is. He had started strutting and everything, but it was just out of frame and I couldn't spin the camera around. He was right there, like basically looking this way. So I couldn't move the camera. You saw he walked out of the frame. I probably should have shot him a little bit earlier, but I was trying to wait and see if he was gonna gobble or start strutting. And he did. Right when he walked out of frame, he went into full strut and was standing there for a while. But I had to take the shot. I didn't want to risk it waiting around trying to get it on video, and he gets away. But we got him. I'm trying to wait for some of these other turkeys to leave the field before I go out here. It's another Tom right there. Where is he? Right there. Beautiful birds, man. Beautiful. I'm trying to wait for some of these ones to leave before I go out. I don't want to spook them. There's some hens out here too. I believe they're still over there somewhere. Yeah, but there was definitely a gobbler off in the distance who was making a ton of noise. He was out there gobbling like repeatedly. And I was just waiting for this one to, the one that I shot, I was waiting for him to gobble or something so I could get it on video, but I didn't. But you guys heard the shot and you see the end result. Bird down. First turkey of 2020. We came down here during the whole pandemic thing going on with the coronavirus. And these are scary times right now, but I'm just glad I was able to still come out here and do something that I love, that I really, enjoy doing, and we got it done. Now, hopefully we get lucky in the morning and I get a second bird, and then probably be back on the way to South Carolina. Get right back on them. But that is in Osceola. I'm in Florida, and that makes, well, man, almost didn't think about it. That means now I have 2 Grand Slams. The Osceola officially sealed the deal. I have 2 Grand Slams now. Crazy. This other bird is still out here. And I probably could have killed that one too, but I think I want to come back in the morning and get another one on a morning hunt. Alright, I'm out the blind. Gotta come check out my Osceola I just got down here in Florida. Check that out. It's a beautiful bird, man. They're really small compared to some other turkeys that I hunt, but that is a beautiful bird. It's like a 2-year-old bird, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. It's probably a 2-year-old bird. He's got a pretty good beard on him. Down here in Florida. He got pretty dusty when he was out here flopping around. I wish I could have got it on video, but he was in full strut not too long before I made the shot. It's beautiful. Alright, you guys, I'm down here in Florida. Just tagged my second Osceola. Well, it's the first one this trip, but it's my second Osceola ever. So with this bird, I now have 2 official Grand Slams. It's crazy. The Grand Slam was just like a bucket list kind of thing for me that I wanted to do. It was a goal I had for myself. And once I got all my other birds, I knew if I came back down here to Florida and got another one of these, then I have 2 Grand Slams, and I was just interested in it, and here we are, man. On day 1 of my hunt with Deep South Outfitters, I came out here. See, it's a blind over here. I flipped the camera around so you guys can see it. But I was down here hunting, didn't do any calls or anything. They just put me in the perfect spot, and we have a decoy over here like I showed you guys, and I waited. This time walked straight up the road. I probably should have shot him a little earlier so I could have got it on video, but I thought he was gonna come back around towards the decoy, but when those other birds started gobbling, it had his attention, and it looked like he was gonna keep it moving. So I thought about picking up the camera to try to move it over, but I thought it might have been a bad idea. So I went ahead and took the shot before he walked out of my life. And you guys see him. Pretty birds. You're on the board in Florida for 2020. During the coronavirus pandemic. Crazy. Let me get a couple more close-ups for you guys. And we will be back after them in the morning. Just want to show you guys a couple more little close-ups so you can see how pretty that is. Love these birds, man. Just the colors on them and everything. It's amazing. I believe that's probably a 9-inch beard. Have to measure it. Could be. Pretty sure it's probably a 9-inch beard on them. Beautiful, beautiful 2-year-old bird. Now both the Osceolas I've killed have been 2-year-olds. It's crazy. Beautiful, beautiful bird. We out here in this cut cornfield. I heard another bird gobbling his head off over here, so we'll see what happens. We come back tomorrow. All right, I'm about to start plucking this bad boy.